2019 Audi Q5. With less than 58,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll also love how it combines comfort and convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, panoramic roof, wood grain trim, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, HID headlights. Come in now. This vehicle is ready for immediate delivery.